In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create perfect selections in Affinity Photo. First, open Affinity Photo so we're working right inside the app. Once it's up, bring in the image you want to work on. You can do this by choosing File, then Open, or by dragging your photo straight into the workspace. Take a moment to confirm the image is active and visible at a comfortable zoom level so you can see the edges you'll be selecting. Before we start selecting, check the top of the interface and make sure you're in the pixel mode or persona. This tells Affinity you want to work directly on bitmap pixels, which ensures the selection tools behave as expected. If you ever find a tool grayed out or not responding, this is a quick place to check. Now choose the Selection Brush tool from the toolbar. You'll see other selection tools nearby, like Flood Select or Freehand Selections, but we'll begin with the Selection Brush because it's fast, intuitive, and great for most subjects. With it active, hover over your subject and start painting. The marching ants outline will grow as the brush snaps to edges and textures. Look at the context toolbar to fine-tune your brush. Adjust the width to control how broad your strokes are. A larger brush speeds up big areas, while a smaller brush gives you precision around hair, fabric, or complex edges. Softening the brush helps blend transitions, while a harder edge is useful for crisp boundaries. If you add too much, hold the Alt key to temporarily switch to subtract mode and paint away the excess. Release Alt to continue adding. You can also switch between add and subtract in the toolbar if you prefer clicking. Zoom in for tricky sections and take your time around high contrast edges. Slow, deliberate strokes help the tool lock onto the right boundary. As you paint, keep an eye on gaps or halos. A slightly smaller brush and a slower pass usually clean these up. When your outline looks right, you've got a clean, confident selection ready for whatever edit you want to apply next.